Hello, my name is Eric Santos, General Manager of Enertech Solutions. For more than a decade now, our clients have associated the Enertech brand with that of trust and reliability. And that's because our business philosophy over the years has been about one thing and one thing only: making it easy for you to do your business. We do that by researching and identifying tools or products within the oil and gas industry which use innovation and technology to solve some of the biggest issues and challenges our field operators face. We understand the dangers and the pressures they feel daily, which is why, before associating our brand with that of another, they must meet certain criteria and answer yes to the following questions: Is it more efficient? Is it safer? And is it more reliable? Our clients have come to expect innovative technology and quality from Enertech Solutions, so that's what we deliver. If you're looking for a jack of all trades, we're not it. But if you're looking for innovation, quality, and dependability, we have what you need. Enertech Solutions, smarter is always better than harder.